Hey, hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a new list of interviews in Leetcode, we call Facebook exercise, and I gonna do something, and I will going to talk about some Leetcode exercise about Facebook interviews, and I will tell them in a sequence that from the highest to the lowest, and I will show it to you. And this is Facebook, and I will put it in my GitHub, but unfortunately you can't see that now because it is secret. So I will tell them in such kind of a sequence, and I hope you will enjoy it. Look at this about the sequence in the last 6 months from the minimum remove to make valid parentheses, valid palindrome, and then in this sequence from the highest to this, maybe I will talk about 20 or 30 legal exercise. Okay, so here we go. And the first problem is, wait a minute, okay, is a problem of 1249. Minimum remove to make valid parentheses. Let's look at the descriptions. Well, this exercise, it seems to occur, has the most frequency. So let's start with this. You're giving a string of left parentheses and right parentheses and lowercase English characters, and you need to remove the minimum number of parentheses so that it will return a valid string such as A, B, C. This is a valid string. This is also a valid string, but this is not a valid string because you got an extra right parenthesis. You need to take this out. All right, then in this way, it is string. It is a valid string. So look at this Leetcode. We can see starting from the left to the right, LEE left, T left, C right, O right, D right. So this one, look at this. This one has a additional left right parenthesis, which is not what we want. So we need to remove it. But how can I do that? Because we all know if you want to make a valid string, you need to make the number of the left parenthesis should be equal to the number of the right parenthesis. So I think we should use a stack because stack has a first in, last out, such kind of data structure. When you put something, it get in the bottom, and then when you pop it, it will pop the last time you get something into it. So we can use a stack to match it, such as for when we meet the left parenthesis, we just put it in, left put it in. But when we meet right parenthesis, we need to see if there is a left parenthesis in the stack. If it is, then we're gonna pop this left parenthesis. For example, this one is LEETCODE. Okay, as for this string, letter it does nothing, but when it meet left parenthesis, look at this one, and such as we use index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So this one we put the index of this. So 3. So we put left parenthesis and it will point to 3. And when we meet again, this is 5. All right. And then we meet the right one and we see, yeah, there's the element of left parenthesis. So we just pop it out. And then another, and then this one, another. So we just put this out, and then we found then the stack is empty, and then we see there's also one right parenthesis, but the stack is empty. What can I do about it? We knew the new set, hash set, and when we found that the stack is empty and we still have additional right parenthesis, we just put it in the set. I mean, remember we put what we put is the index. So if the right parenthesis is more than the left parenthesis, this stack will be empty, and if not, we will just and finally, after we have finished this for loop, and when we need a while loop and see if the stack is empty. If it is not, we just pop the element of it and put it into the set. So here we go. We gonna implement in our code and see what's going on this. Okay, so here we go. And firstly, we need to initialize a stack, and we just fill it with integers. So we just call stack, and this is obvious. So new stack, and we also need a set, which is we need to put the invalid index of the left and right parentheses. Okay, so it is hash set actually. And okay, so here we go. We need to get a for loop in this string, and I'm gonna make this from 0 to the length -1, and then we need to check if s dot char at I. We need to judge if this one is a left parenthesis. If it is left parenthesis, we just need to put it in our stack, and we put index. And if not, if it is right parenthesis, oh, this will be very interesting, because we need to judge whether the stack is empty, such as the stack is not empty. So empty one. In this way, we're gonna do something like just put it, because you have no left parentheses to write with to match with your right parentheses. So we have to put it in our set. So set and I, all right. But if it is not empty, no, if it is empty, oh, sorry. If it is not empty, we can match actually, and we need to stack.pop, all right, pop our left parenthesis, the index of left parenthesis. And if it is empty, we need to set dot end our, actually our right parenthesis. Okay, so after we finish this, we may have some elements still left in our stack. So stack dot is empty. Is that empty? If it is not empty, actually, we're gonna do something. We need to set dot add our pop the element, all of that, and then we need to use a string builder. So what is a string builder? String builder is a mutable variable, unlike a string. String is immutable, so you cannot modify with that, but string builder can. So as string builder, it is a new string builder class, and then we're gonna do something. So what we gonna do? All right. And then we need to iterate through the string, and to check if it is valid. If it is valid, we need to end that. But if not, we just ignore that. So if s.char at I. Actually, I don't think so. We should write like this way. If set contains the index of the string of the character, then we can put that. So if not contains, we're gonna put that. So let's be the append it at the end of the string builder. So append I. Am I right? I think it is right. Okay. And then we're gonna do, we need to return a string, but it's string builder, so just we make it to a string. We use toString method. Check everything. Oh no, I'm not setting. What the hell? So we're gonna sign in. Wait a minute. It's just take a few moments, and I hope everything goes well. Oh, what is the number of that? I don't remember. Is that? Oh no. Wait a minute. What is it? Sorry. Oh, 1249. So we're number. Okay. Why? It made me signing again. That's ridiculous. 1249. Check. Good. Oh no. We missed the semicolon. Do it again. String builders with a new string builder. Oh, sorry. This is a capital S. And what? It's ridiculous. How can this kind of thing happen? Let's check our code. Stack stay into new stack and set a new hash set. As long as if left parenthesis, we just push it. If it's a right parenthesis and it is not empty, we just pop the left, and then if not, we just end that. Okay, and then if stack is not empty, we need to add the string builder for I select if not content I, and then we're gonna append that. I think this is true, but why this kind of things happen? I'll put this. Oh man, I know why. Let's don't try it. We need a string, not the index number, man. Yeah, that would be good. Let's check if it's right. Pretty cool. It is good, but maybe not very good, but it is good. So here is our problem of minimum remove the make valid parentheses. This is a question that in Facebook interviews that occurred in the with the most frequency. So pay attention to this code, and we use a stack and a set. The stack is to match with left parentheses and right parentheses to make sure that they have the same number. And we also need a hash set to store some invalid, and we need to ignore everything that in the set, and we choose the valid string as outside of the set. So that's all about this question 1249, and I hope you can understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching. I appreciate if you could subscribe me, and good luck. Goodbye.